Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door bin in your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the bin is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So on this fridge, we'll open up our door here, and you'll see that we have two of these shelves. On the other side, we also have one of the shelves on this side. These three are different, they're a bit bigger. So when you order your shelf, you're going to want to make sure that you order the right one. But in order to get it out, all you have to do is lift it up and it slides right out. Just like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement shelf bin, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So to put it into place, all we have to do is simply put the shelf in above these little notches right here and set it down, and it sits securely in place. And you'll see if we put it on the other side, I'll just get this out of the way so you can see a little bit better. But there are also these notches on this side, and the shelf will not fit because it's not long enough. So just make sure you're buying the right shelf, like I said. And after you've got your shelf into place, you can store stuff in there now, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.